helping a cat stuck in a log. Checking if it's alive and finding that it is. This cat got stuck into a log for some unknown time. And this man spotted the struggling creature. It took a few minutes of concentration to dig it out. These people had no idea how it got trapped there. Good-willed at mind and heart, they went to help. They went little by little. Freeing the kitty's arm for now. The closer they got, the harder it became. The man has to be extremely careful not to hurt her. The kitten keeps meowing, wanting to be free. The mission is almost completed. But will it be successful? Finally, they managed to free the poor kitten. Thumbs up to this man.